Okay, I thought about it. And I'm going to the disco. Just on the off chance that they might mix up a little rock and roll, man.
Yeah? Well, I have something to say. I went to the mall today, and I bought a pair of new shoes. And they're the coolest kicks in the cave.
So, no more for Kelso. He's toasted.
I would like some toast if you are making some. But food of any kind would be good. I am starving.
Oh, I read somewhere there are these people in India who fast, man. Yeah. And their minds are so advanced, they can actually think themselves to death, man.
Well, I hope I'm not doing that right now. My mind's always doing things that I don't even know about.
Man, we always think of so many brilliant things down here. But then later, I can't remember any of them. They're brilliant, man!
Someone go make toast right now.
Hey, we should record our conversation, man. Yeah, then we could play it back and write it down. I'll bet that's how the writers of National Lampoon do it.
Yeah, well, I read somewhere that there's these people in France.
What do they do?
You see, they're incredibly French.
See, that's brilliant, man. Oh, I'm getting the tape recorder.
Where's my toast, you idiots?